Capricorns, welcome back to my channel, and in case if you're new over here, hello. I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot, and my name is Tarusha Saxena. And on this channel we share weekly and monthly zodiac updates about how your upcoming week or month is going to be. So if this interests you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon right there below to receive notifications about all my upcoming video as soon as I upload them. All right, before we get down into checking out how your upcoming month is going to be, Capricorns, I would like to share a few disclaimers. Number one, that this is an absolutely general Capricorn reading. So because it is a general Capricorn reading for upcoming month, in case if it does not resonate with you completely or partially, do not forget to check out my other zodiac readings on this channel for the upcoming month as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. All right, and also remember that timing is fluid, because of which this reading becomes a timeless reading, which means that you will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time and year. Whenever it is applicable for you, you, my dear friend, will come across this reading. All right, so yeah, let's get started. All right, so I have all your cards laid out right in front of me, and ta-da, your cards are coming out for a relationship reading. All right, now a lot of you might be single, a lot of you might be in a relationship or married or whatever your situation is. For me, this looks like a relationship reading, so I'm giving it like I will be reading it out as a relationship reading. However, just see how it resonates in your situation, how it translates in your life and in your situation. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get into what is coming up for you in the coming month. All right, Capricorns, so what I see for you, my dear friends, is that the reason why I said that to me this reading is coming out for you as a relationship reading is because you start the month and the first card for you is the Lovers card. All right, okay, so this card is what you're starting with, means that the focus area of your month is going to be a relationship. If it is about your career and your work, if that is how you want to take it, you can also see that, you know, if it is about, if for example you take this reading in particularly, you know, translating to your career, then probably something that you're very passionate about or what you are doing right now very passionately, so it could translate to that particular aspect of your life. I'm giving it a reading as a relationship. All right, this is a relationship that we're talking about. This relationship was meant to happen because it is a karmic relationship. You guys are soulmate. This is a soulmate relationship, a karmic relationship which has traveled many lifetimes together, and there is a reason why the two of you have come together in this lifetime. And trust me, when there is a karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship, things are not so hunky-dory or smooth. All right, it's always a bumpy ride, because karmic relationships travel with each other from one lifetime to another lifetime, because they have lessons to learn together. All right, and you will have lessons to learn only when you will face certain tricky situations, because there is no learning in things which are smooth, right? You only learn things when you have a bumpy ride, right? Isn't it? So you know, so this relationship also has come into your life because there were some things for both of you to learn out of situations that will arise between the two of you, and grow together as two people and also grow as two individuals. All right, so that is number one. Number two, very interestingly, the month is beginning for you on a very interesting note, wherein because I said that this is a karmic relationship and these relationships tend to go through bumpy rides, there is a bump getting ready for you. All right, now don't be scared of this particular card, because you know it looks scary and it is also called the Devil card. However, this card is only symbolic to a situation where a kind of tricky situation is going to crop up in your relationship, wherein you both will go through some kind of testing times, wherein your trust for each other is going to be tested, where your understanding is going to be tested, and you both need to decide what you want out of this whole situation, what you want with each other, what you want from life as a couple as well, and also as two individuals. Okay, because this particular experience is only going to make you grow as a person and even as a couple. All right. Also, you've got the magician card. All right, Capricorns. So this magician card, all right, coming together with the lovers and the devil card, shows just one thing, that okay, first of all, I'd like to sum up. I'll just give you a quick summation of what your cards are telling for this month. By the way, because don't get bogged down by this particular card. This might be a scary card, but the overall situation that I see from your cards is that you are going to beautifully learn your lessons out of this whole situation. You're going to deal it in a very, very, very nice manner, very practically. You are going to deal the situation the way it is to be dealt with. All right. The choices that you're going to make, the actions that you're going to take, the way you're going to handle this whole situation is going to be a pretty good way, and it is only going to reflect positively on your situation and in your life. All right. And then this magician card is only a reflection of what I just told you, because magician card shows that you will be bestowed with great amount of willpower in this particular month. So no matter what life throws on you, all right, like if life is throwing lemons on you, you, my dear friend, are going to make a brilliant tequila out of it and give it a shot, like take it, like gulp it down. All right, so that is what you're going to be. So you're going to make the most of the situation, even if, as I said, life will throw things at you. You are going to take them in the right stride. Also, I see that your intuition is going to be of an all-time high, and you will strive to kind of strike the much required balance in your life. As above, so below, kind of a thing. All right. So you will have great amount of willpower this month, and that power that you will have, it is up to you to utilize, to make use of it, and create your own reality, because magician is nothing but somebody who make believes that things do happen, which we otherwise think that they never happen. All right. So that is a kind of quality that you will be bestowed with in this particular month, where you will have the power to create your own reality. So when you have that power, you might as well create something that is in your favor. All right, and is positive. All right. So having said this, summarizing, you will have the power to fix things up in your relationship if they are going haywire, because things are made to go haywire by a third party. So it's not really your person. Either life will throw certain things at you, or some third external source is going to throw things at you, which is going to kind of put the things off balance. Towards the mid of the coming month, what I see for you is that you will realize that in order to deal with the situation and your person, you need to kind of sometimes we need to cut off from the situation, see things from a higher perspective, detach ourselves from the situation, see things from a higher perspective, to give it a impartial solution, to to kind of get the best results. All right. And over here, that is what you are going to do. You might feel a little lonely, that you will feel that, why do I alone have the burden of doing things and fixing things up? But you never know what your partner is thinking and doing. All right. So right now, all that is in control, in your control, is what you can do. All right. And that is exactly what you will be doing. You will also try to take relief from certain spiritual practices like meditation, yoga, calming yourself down, grounding exercise, whatever spiritual experiences or practices that you follow. I do see that you will try to do that, so that you kind of try to balance things out in your head, in order to deal with the situation in a more better manner, and not to be too reactive to the whole thing, which actually is going to be the right approach. All right. Towards the end of the month, I see that with all the in the middle of the month, when you're going to kind of take a back seat, recharge yourself, things, think through things, strategize things, etc., that is going to kind of bring an end to unnecessary stress that you would be going through in the beginning of the month. All right. So I definitely see some kind of stress coming to an end. All right. and any kind of obstacles or obstructions that you were creating in your situation between you and your person, or between you and the result, uh, all those obstructions are going to go away. And yeah, you will end up feeling again more energetic and revived and more creative, and good high vibrations, positive vibrations. All right, the overall energy cards for you for this particular month is the Four of Swords and the Seven of Swords. All right, so these cards show that taking a back seat, rejuvenation, recreation, meditation, rethinking about everything, how you want to do things is something which is the key for everything, for you to unlock the desired results in this particular month, which will kind of take you to really what you really desire. All right, now coming to the three guidance messages which I have picked out for you from your ancestors. I will just read those messages out. So the first message for you is see your seeds grow. All right, so whatever hard work you will put into this relationship through the troubled times, you will see the benefits of your hard work by the end of this month. The next message for you is enjoy success and happiness, and the last message for you is feel loved and comforted. All right, have faith in your relationship, have faith in you, have faith in the universe, work in sync with the universal energy, life force, and see the magic happen. All right, so this was your reading, Capricorns, and I hope it resonates with you. If not, then do check out other zodiac reading for the upcoming month on this channel as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. Until then, I will see you next very soon in my next video. Do take care of yourselves, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye, Capricorns.